to build that cloud cover back in. We'll see temperatures in the mid 40s through 10 o'clock, and then we transition to our shift for tomorrow, our focus for tomorrow. And here's what we have going on. We're going to get on some very breezy southerly winds as a warm front lifts to our north. We'll have winds gusting near 30 miles an hour or stronger as we head into tomorrow afternoon. And then as we head on into Wednesday, a cold front passes, and that is going to sharply drop temperatures. But we are going to spend tomorrow in the warm sector of this system, and with that it's going to bring us the chance for rain and storms. Now, I'm not expecting any severe weather here, but we will have the potential of severe weather in the deep south. Parts of Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi are going to be the prime area for that type of activity tomorrow. And by tomorrow morning, this is 9 a.m., we can see that system brewing off to our south and west. I think we'll see a few patchy showers here and there as we head through the morning on into the afternoon, but best chances of rain coming as we get past 6 o'clock. This takes us to 8:30 p.m. We could have some embedded thunderstorms, some heavy downpours in there, and a pretty steady rainfall as we head into late Tuesday evening on into very early Wednesday morning. Now, we will get a lull in the rain as we head towards daybreak on Wednesday before another round of scattered showers comes on through close to noon. And then we could even see that transition over to a wintry mix and some widely scattered light snow showers as temperatures are dropping quickly behind the cold front come Wednesday afternoon. So we are looking at a couple of active days ahead with temperatures tomorrow that could be near 60 degrees on those gusty southerly winds. But again, those rain and storm chances primarily in the evening, transition over to a wintry mix and a few snow showers, still pretty windy on your Wednesday, and temperatures will fall through the afternoon on Wednesday down to low temperatures in the upper 20s on Thursday. We start Thursday morning with wind chills down in the teens. High of 43 and quiet on Thursday. 54 is where we'll return to on Friday. Maybe a few showers early on Saturday, but overall looking more seasonal and pretty quiet on into the weekend. Melissa.